Hey, this your boy T Gibb. I was going to wait a little longer to come back and let you hear what this vehicle sounds like. It's only been about 20 minutes since the first time I put it in, and all I did was drive and drop my son off at his job. But oh my gosh, do you hear how low it sounds? And usually when I'm shifting from second to third, it'll tell me real quick that I need to go in the fourth, and it'll usually go between 3 and 4, but it ain't even do none of that. It was like between 2 and 3. It was always making me think something was wrong because I got this car old, so I thought it was just supposed to do that. But now I'm seeing that, with proper taking care of stuff and using my Ceracoat Ceramic engine product, it's actually supposed to sound better than that. But do you hear the difference? Oh my gosh. Let me go get my can so you can see what it sounds like. Once again, it's your boy Terrence Gibson. Yeah, so you can see me. Ceramic engine care protection. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it. Car went from sounding like a tractor trailer to purring. It's 163. Matter of fact, let you see the miles on the car. I don't want to make nothing up. And that's what I was talking about, the 3 and 4 right here. Usually when I'm switching from gear to gear, it usually be between 3 and 4. This time it was like between 2 and 3. And I was like, Dad, do I need to even switch the gear? Or that's the way it's supposed to run now? I'm so used to it just revving up all the time because it wasn't taken care of properly. Just using the regular, oil changes and services. But you need to add something more to your vehicle than what you normally would put in your vehicle. And Ceracoat Ceramic Unlimited has that product for you. Once again, this is the Ceracoat Ceramic engine care. And once again, you can tell this video is not doctored in no kind of way. I'm just walking around and just showing you the RPMs. It's just purring. Wow. Can't wait to see the difference in my gas mileage. Should see that real soon. Matter of fact, it might be doing it now since the engine don't rev up as much as no more. But just wanted to show you. Once again, for those that haven't seen it, this is one of our products in a back office. You can register for free at this website right here. Call me. Register for free. Call me. And we can go forth on how to build your business. Alright, this is your boy Terrence Gibson signing out. Have a blessed day.